So in today's video we are going to be trying a DIY deep conditioner. Now the products that we're going to be using is moringa powder, coconut cream, and avocado oil. Now I have never tried coconut cream on my hair before. This is actually my first time. However, I've been doing a lot of research about coconut cream and I've seen quite a good reviews about it, so let's give it a try and see how it will work for us. Now I've been using moringa powder for the past 2 weeks. I tried the moringa oil on my hair and I also tried the moringa hair mask, and I have to say I loved how my hair felt after using it. So I'm going to give moringa at least 3 months of using it on my hair, and then I can give better reviews if it's good for my hair or not. But so far I have been loving it. So I'm taking 1.5 tablespoon of moringa powder and I'm putting it in the blender, and then I'm also going to take my my coconut cream and add it into the blender as well. I took about 1.5 tablespoons as well. I'm usually so bad with measurements, you guys. I'm African like that. We use our eyes to measure, so I'm not the one to give you the measurements. I'm so sorry. Now we're going to take our avocado oil and we're going to add that into the mixture. Now avocado oil is really great for people with low porosity hair. It's been working really amazing on my hair. I love it. And I'm also going to take my aloe vera gel. I'm adding that into the mixture, and I'm also going to take some fenugreek powder. This is fenugreek powder, and we're going to add that into the mixture as well. Now I've also been using fenugreek powder for a few weeks now, and I have to tell you that it has really helped to strengthen my hair. My hair is damaged, it's weak and it's brittle, but the fenugreek has really helped for my hair to regain strength. Now we've blended that all together. It looks nice and greenery and very creamy. Now I'm going to apply that to my clean washed hair. I've shampooed my hair. Now I have to say I was surprised. I thought the consistency will be very runny. However, it was so nice and thick. It was a thick paste. I think it's because of the fenugreek powder. It made it thicker. Now I'm just gonna be a little bit extra cautious and apply that onto my hair, because if you've got white cardboards and all that green of the moringa, yeah, it can get quite messy. So I massaged that all into my hair. Make sure that my hair is quite saturated with the product, and just massage it through in, give it an extra massages to just penetrate, help the product to penetrate. And then I'm going to cover my hair with my plastic cap. I used two this first thin plastic shower cap, and then I added a thicker shower cap, and then I also added an extra duke on top. Now this helps to keep the heat locked in, because my hair is low porosity, so we need to keep the heat locked in so that the heat would help the product to penetrate through better. If you've got a hooded cap, the better. Now that is before I'm washing, that is after an hour now. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. I have to say this was quite an interesting deep conditioner. I'm definitely gonna try it again and see how it goes. Now I'm just spraying my leave-in. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.